Hi there! Welcome to our apparel pattern making guide. Learn how to create a basic flat pattern, production ready pattern, determine your garment specs, and everything in between. So what is pattern making? A pattern making is the process of creating a blueprint for your garment. A pattern is used as a template to cut out fabric that matches the required specifications to sew a garment. What tools will you need to create a pattern? First, you will need the specification sheet with garment measurements. You may need computer-aided software if you are making a digital pattern. And you will need paper, scissors, a ruler, and a measuring tape if you are making a physical pattern. How to determine your garment measurement specs? Once you have your body measurements and your design, you can start to determine your garment measurement specs. Some of these measurements will come directly from your body data, while you'll add the garment ease amount to others depending on the fabric that you are using. For example, when you're working on a top, the key measurements for how a garment fits are the chest, waist, hem, and across shoulders. Let's learn how to draft a basic flat pattern. First, draw a rectangle. The length of the rectangle will be your measurement taken from the center back to the waist. The width of the rectangle will be half of your waist measurement. Make neckline marks. Draw a curve through them. Erase what you don't need. Mark your shoulder drop. Draw a line from the top neckline curve to the shoulder drop mark. Erase what you don't need. Mark half of your chest measurement. Make a point. Draw a line from the waist to the chest point and the shoulder drop. Erase what you don't need. Make a curve using the line from the armhole point to the shoulder drop. Erase what you don't need. Now you have a basic flat pattern. For a longer garment, take a measurement from high point shoulder to the desired length of your garment and extend the pattern. Head to our blog to learn how to create a production-ready pattern, including notches, darts, pleats, and grain lines.